including all the activities which we are doing in commercial, sir, all are being used by Government of India defense employee and are being provided by defense employee.
मत बताइए, आप तो जो सवाल है उसको समझने की कोशिश करिए पहले।
सर सर
आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है।
यस सर।
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कौन सी कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी करती है जिसके लिए आपको कमर्शियल कनेक्शन लगता है?
Sir, commercial activities to include, sir, we have a military hospital, sir.
That is a commercial activity.
My lord.
Wait, let him answer.
Sir, as per MPSCB, we have two different heads, sir. One is all the quarters in which married army men are living, sir. We call them domestic purpose, sir. Rest everything is under like Government of India.
What is the classification given by the electricity authority for taking a domestic connection and a commercial connection?
Sir, for domestic connection, all those married accommodations are included in domestic connection, sir, or residential user.
Unmarried को domestic नहीं है. Unmarried will not be said to be in a domestic accommodation. ऐसा है क्या?
Sir,
एक बैचलर है, वो रहता है आपके क्वार्टर में, तो वो क्या जो है डोमेस्टिक कनेक्शन नहीं कहलाएगा?
Sir, because all those who are living unmarried, sir, they are not in a quarter, sir. They are living in a line barrack kind of.
बैरक, तो बैरक में क्या कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी होती है जिसके कारण को कमर्शियल कनेक्शन लेना पड़ेगा?
Barrack are not included in commercial activity.
They are residential, they are domestic connections.
Sir, but we are not giving them bills, sir. They are not authorized to pay the electricity bill, sir.
नहीं, they may not be authorized to pay the bill. That is not authorized. You are not charging the residents of the barrack, and you are bearing the expenses of the electricity used in the barracks.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है
Sir.
तो but will it make it a commercial connection?
No, sir.
तो ये क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है? समझ लीजिए, एफिडेविट फाइल करिए। कितने दिन में एफिडेविट फाइल करेंगे? पहले आप नॉर्म्स बताइए कि एमपीवी की क्या नॉर्म्स है डोमेस्टिक कनेक्शन के लिए, कमर्शियल कनेक्शन के लिए, और आप क्या एक्टिविटी करते हैं जिसके लिए कमर्शियल कनेक्शन लिए गए हैं। आप बताइए मैडम।
My lord, this bifurcation has been made by the MPEB.
मतलब क्या बाइफर्केशन है, समझो, उनसे भी समझ लेंगे ना।
So they will answer, but how?
You also answer because you are using those connections. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप बिगर, अगर आपका ये कंटेंशन है तो रिकॉर्ड कर देते हैं। देश के लिए वो चिंताजनक बात है कि आप बिगर समझे पेमेंट कर रहे हैं।
Sir,
अगर आपको ये समझ में नहीं आया कि कौन सा कनेक्शन कमर्शियल है, कौन सा डोमेस्टिक है, और व्हाई शुड यू पे
what we are saying, we are government of India, we are exempted from any.
वो समझ गए, वो आपकी कल आर्गुमेंट हो चुका है।
Permission of my lord may permit me to read once Article 287.
हम पढ़ लिया, कल पढ़ लिया था, फिर पढ़ लिया आप।
My lord, allow me to read once.
प्लीज पढ़िएगा।
Yes.
लेकिन पहले मेरी बात का उत्तर आना चाहिए कि कमर्शियल कनेक्शन क्यों लिया है आप?
हमने लिया नहीं है, इनने बाइफरकेट किया है।
आपने कभी अप्लाई नहीं किया कनेक्शन के लिए?
तो इनका
एक सेकंड, यू नेवर अप्लाइड फॉर अ कमर्शियल कनेक्शन?
सर, हमने इनसे लिया है 2 LT कनेक्शन, 244
LT.
सॉरी, यस सर, 2 ST कनेक्शन एंड 244 LT कनेक्शन। दे के ना बाइफरकेट।
LT एंड ST का क्लासिफिकेशन अलग है। LT is low tension, ST is high tension.
Yes.
That is for different purpose, and the classification of commercial and domestic is for different purpose.
Yes sir.
But when we,
Sir,
हाँ बताइए, when
the joint survey was carried out between NTSCB and MAS, sir, so they only came up with the conclusion that all those accommodation which are not being used by married people are to be considered.
where is that Panchnama? Where is that joint inspection report?
Sir,
my lord,
You have?
Yes, sir.
Bring it, please bring it.
where is number 287?
हाँ पढ़िए।
And I would also request my lord, if my lord come to page 21 of their reply also.
पहले 287 पढ़ना है, पहले पेज 21 पढ़ना है?
पहले मैं 287 पढ़ूंगी, दागश करूंगी इससे।
पढ़िएगा।
Yes. Clause A पढ़ रही हूँ सर।
Clause
A.
जी।
Consumed by Government of India, or my lord, I am here. Consumed by Government of India. If I can take my lords, page 21 of their reply.
जी।
Who is the consumer?
नहीं, or sold to the government of India.
It is not and.
For purpose, yes, yes,
With
I understand.
Yes, my lord.
Or for
Yes.
sold to the government of India for consumption by that government.
My lord,
Now here the defining line is consumption. Who is the consumer?
That is why I am just reading the language of the constitution. My lord, consumed by the government of India, or I'm not going to or, I'm here only, my lord. Consumed by government of India.
Yes.
Now bill they have enclosed, my lord may come to page 21 of their
Page
reply.
21, yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Page 21 of their reply.
yes. My lord, see the bill has been issued in whose name? The connection which have been taken, my lord, 2ST and 244 LT, the bill is being issued in the name of
And therefore it is necessary to understand.
the assistant garrison engineer.
Yes, that I have understood.
Yes.
Now you are required to demonstrate.
Yes, my lord.
दीजिए आपकी रिपोर्ट दीजिएगा.
serial number 6.
So, my lord, here the consumer is government of India. How they are concerned, how we are using the,
We are concerned. Even court is concerned how you are using it.
Sir, in this report in serial number 6, sir, they have mentioned that we have 157 domestic connection for these quarters because a separate meter is there, and 87 non-domestic connection, which they are considering as commercial. On that basis, they are charging the.
आपसे जो बात उसमें उन्होंने स्पष्ट लिखा है that unless you obtain separate connections for the use of the establishment and for transmitting the electricity energy to other consumers, you will be liable to pay the duty on the bulk of it. The day you separate the connections and the one which are used for your purposes from the one which is for which bills are raised and energy is procured, energy is used by some other persons, other beneficiaries may be under you, then duty will be payable only on that part of the electricity so consumed. This is what they have said.
Sir,
Now, have you bifurcated your connections?
sir, we have bifurcated in this joint survey also, sir, it was identified which are domestic and which are non-domestic. So we are just paying the electricity duty, sir. It is their responsibility to give the separate bills so that we can pay them separately, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Lordship, kindly see the Lordship in our reply, Lordship,
जी, page number.
in para number 6, Lordship. May one scene, Lordship, thereafter we refer the next Lordship. Para number 5, Lordship.
Number
5.
जी.
That the petitioner is having two numbers of the high tension connection and 244 number low tension connection from the respondent number 2. The petitioner had applied for tariff category HV 6.1A bulk residential user for two numbers ST connection as per their purpose of use. As per the order of the Madhya Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission tariff schedule LT and ST, consumers are provided where under tariff schedule HV61 is for bulk residential user. This provides as under and so on. So here is a mention Lordship tariff schedule code 6 applicability. The tariff category H1 is applicable for supply to industrial or any other township that the university or academic institution, hospital, MES and border villagers etc. for domestic purpose only. Such lighting, fans, heating provided that the connected load of essential common facilities such as non-domestic supplies